DJs, alalahanin nyo to. DJing is not a competition, it is a collaboration. Kadalasan yung mga gigs ngayon involve more than one DJ. So sabihin natin, merong opening DJ, tas merong prime time. Minsan tatlo pa yan. May opening, may prime time, pati may closing. Nung nagsimula ako mag-DJ nung mas bata ako, competitive ako. Gusto ko ako yung nagpapatugtog parati ng mga malalaking kanta. Gusto ko nagwawala parati yung crowd pag ako yung nagdi-DJ lang. Basically, it was all me, me, me. Pero hindi dapat ganoon yung mindset natin. Dapat alam natin kung paano tayo lumugar. Depende sa posisyon natin sa lineup. Kung opening DJ tayo, wag tayong papatugtog ng mga bangers o mga kanta ng headliner. Parang respeto na natin yun dun sa headliner or sa main primetime DJ. Ngayon kung ikaw naman yung headliner o yung primetime DJ, wag tayong magagalit sa opening act kung gustong-gusto siya ng crowd. All of the DJs in a lineup are there to give the crowd a good time. If one DJ is doing well, that means all of us DJs are doing our job because we're just there to entertain our audience. And the crowd is loving the music that your co-DJ is playing, matuwa tayo para sa kanila, and let's also feel happy for ourselves, diba? Hindi naman dahil sa hindi tayo nagpatugtog ng kanta na yun, ibig sabihin ay walang kwenta na tayo ng DJ. Of course, we still matter. It's just that we're part of something that's larger than ourselves because we're working with other DJs again to make a club night exciting or a bar or performance exciting for our audience.